G'day, homeowners. Extreme weather can strike at any time, and being prepared is key to keeping your family safe and reducing damage to your home. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you get ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at you. First, let's talk general preparation. You need an emergency kit with essentials like non-perishable food, bottled water for at least 3 days, flashlights, extra batteries, and candles. Don't forget first aid supplies, medications, and important documents in a waterproof bag. A battery-powered radio for weather updates, cash, and a multi-tool are also must-haves. Next, make a family emergency plan. Choose a safe meeting place if you get separated. Assign emergency contacts both local and out of town, and learn evacuation routes and shelter locations. Stay informed by signing up for local weather alerts and following the news. For home preparation, trim trees and secure loose objects outside. Check your home's insulation and weatherproofing, and reinforce windows, roofs, and doors if you live in high-risk areas. Now let's get specific. For severe storms and hurricanes, install storm shutters or board-up windows. Clear gutters and drains to prevent flooding and secure outdoor furniture. A backup power source like a generator can be a lifesaver. If authorities order evacuation, leave immediately. During heat waves and wildfires, stay indoors during peak heat hours, drink plenty of water, and avoid caffeine or alcohol. Keep blinds closed and use fans or AC if possible. In wildfire-prone areas, create a defensible space around your home and have an evacuation bag ready. For blizzards and extreme cold, insulate pipes, keep extra blankets and warm clothing, and stock up on rock salt or sand for icy walkways. Stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. If using a generator, keep it outside to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. In case of tornadoes, identify a safe room like a basement or windowless interior room. Secure heavy furniture and remove loose outdoor items. Practice tornado drills with your family. If in a car and no shelter is available, lie flat in a ditch and cover your head. For flooding, move valuables and electronics to higher ground. Avoid walking or driving through floodwaters. Remember, even 6 inches of water can knock you down. Know your area's flood risk and evacuation routes. After the storm or disaster, check on family, friends, and neighbors. Avoid downed power lines and report hazards. Use caution when returning home. Structural damage may not be visible. Follow official updates for when it's safe to go out or return home. So there you have it. Stay prepared and stay safe, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home and family safe. Cheers.